Now we're going to look at the different lever offerings. When we actually look at this part of our catalog here, we're going to see that there's actually three levers that are listed here: the LR, LC, and LG. Now also below here you'll notice that there are two knob designs, but for most commercial applications these days, knobs are not used because of the Americans with Disabilities Act, and knobs are not as friendly for disabled people to use, so levers are going to be our topic of conversation now. First lever that we're going to look, the LR, is illustrated by this sample right here. The LR has this part of the lever is called the return to the door. Now, this is probably 80% of what we sell is LR levers. In part, it's because they're safer. If the surface of the door right here, it's hard to get things caught behind the lever. These would actually comply with California fire marshal rulings that require a return within a ½ inch of the surface of the door so that firefighters don't get caught accidentally behind the lever. But you'll also notice when you work with straight levers, which we'll talk about in a moment, it's very easy to get purses and belt loops and other things caught. So this is a very, very common and frequently used design. This would be the LR because it returns to the door. Now, the next one that we'll look at, this is an example. This is the LC, and that's lever curved. And once again, it comes up to within a ½ inch of the surface of the door, less chance of getting caught on it, but it gives a smoother appearance. So you don't have that sharp bend in the edge here where it returns to the door. This would be our LC lever. The last one that we'll look at, or third in our offering here, is this one right here. It is the straight lever. And obviously, we do have more of an issue with the firefighters here, so this is not one that we can actually use in very much in California because of compliance with the California Fire Marshal. But it is a very attractive lever. Many people consider this to be their favorite lever because of its crisp, straight nature. So those are our three offers. This would be the LG style, the LC style curved, the LR style for the rectangular return to the door. So those are the three lever styles that we have, and between those three choices we generally see the LR being the most common, the LC being the second most common, and the LG, while it certainly does have its fans, it is the least commonly used.